Protecting
Good.
border violation in progress. 66.
Tulsa police, you need to yell out now if you're in here. I'm going to release my dog.
Release him. Shut this door so he didn't go out.
Are you on that?
Yes.
Bodycam?
He ain't been in the pool room though.
He's not showing any interest. Come on. Find him.
Watch that door there, the men's room.
Which one? You went past it. Come here. Come here. Hey. Chicken here.
Get him!
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Get out on the ground. Get out on the ground. Get on the stomach. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Stop resisting!
Put your hands behind your back.
I am. I promise.
Let's go.
Do not move! Do not move!
What did I do?
What do you think you did, asshole? You broke the damn window out and entered the damn police lodge.
Ow. Ow. Ow, the dog bit me. Ow. Ow. I
Everett
promise.
225, we got one in custody. Started saying stuff for a dog bite.
Ow. Ow, hell. Ow, I promise. Ow, it bit me on the fucking arm. Oh, God.
Don't stop being a baby. Stand up. You want to search again after we get him out?
Yeah, might as well.
Just to make sure.
Probably with 15 and 7.3. And showing with 15.
Is there nobody that did any more officers coming in?
Nobody else came in,
I
right?
went in the bathroom. No, seriously.
Where you get bit at?
On the arm.
Good dog. Hold on. Hey, I owe that
Can I open
dog.
this door?
Here, I get.
You realize what building this is? You don't. You're about as dumb as a box of rocks, aren't you?
I owe that dog a steak dinner.
Sit down. Sit down. It's mine. Yeah, be right here. We got it already. See if he's fucked with anything. I'll be right back, Edge. We're going to check and see if he screwed up with anything. You hear me? Edge? We're going to check out everything, see if he's messed with anything. Okay. I was in here like right before I came to you.
No, it's no big deal.